Get ready to embark on a virtual journey to paradise as we explore the stunning Victoria Beachcomber Resort and Spa in Mauritius. Nestled on the northwest coast of this tropical island, this 4-star superior resort offers a perfect blend of luxury, comfort, and family-friendly amenities. So sit back, relax, and let's dive into what makes this beachfront haven a top choice for travelers seeking sun, sand, and unforgettable memories. Let's start with the accommodations, shall we? Victoria Beachcomber Resort and Spa boasts an impressive array of spacious rooms and suites, each designed to provide maximum comfort and breathtaking views. The standard sea-facing rooms are anything but standard, offering some of the largest accommodations on the island. Picture yourself waking up to the sound of gentle waves, stepping out onto your private balcony or terrace, and being greeted by a panoramic view of the Indian Ocean. It's the stuff dreams are made of, folks. But wait, there's more. For families looking for extra space and privacy, the 2-bedroom family apartments are a game changer. These generously sized units come equipped with all the amenities you need to feel right at home, including kitchenette facilities in some cases. And for couples seeking a romantic getaway, the adults-only Victoria for 2-section offers swim-up rooms with direct pool access from your private terrace. Talk about luxury. All rooms come decked out with modern amenities like air conditioning, free Wi-Fi, flat-screen TVs, minibars, and tea and coffee making facilities. The decor is a perfect blend of contemporary tropical style, with neutral tones accented by soothing blue hues that reflect the ocean outside. And let's not forget about those spacious bathrooms, because who doesn't love a little extra elbow room when getting ready for a day of beach adventures? Now let's talk about food because, let's face it, that's half the reason we go on vacation, right? Victoria Beachcomber Resort and Spa doesn't disappoint in the culinary department. With 4 main restaurants and bars, your taste buds are in for a treat. L'Horizon Restaurant is the go-to spot for breakfast, lunch, and dinner, offering a diverse buffet of modern Mauritian and international cuisine. Picture yourself piling your plate high with fresh local produce, exotic fruits, and mouth-watering seafood. And don't miss their themed nights. The seafood evenings are particularly popular among guests. For those lazy pool days, Le Deck Bar has got you covered with refreshing cocktails and light snacks. And when the sun sets, head over to La Terrasse for a fine dining experience that'll make your taste buds dance with joy. Their seafood specialties are not to be missed. Trust us on this one. And for the adults looking for a more intimate setting, the Victoria for 2 Lounge Bar offers a romantic ambience perfect for sipping on expertly crafted cocktails while watching the stars come out over the ocean. But here's a pro tip. Don't forget to pack your smart casual attire for dinner. While the resort maintains a laid-back atmosphere during the day, they do ask guests to dress up a bit for evening meals. It's the perfect excuse to show off that vacation glow if you ask us. Now let's dive into the pools and beaches, because that's where the real fun begins. Victoria Beachcomber Resort and Spa boasts multiple pools, including a stunning infinity pool that seems to merge with the ocean beyond. It's the perfect spot for those Instagram-worthy shots that'll make your friends back home green with envy. The resort offers a mix of family-friendly pools and adult-exclusive areas, so there's something for everyone. But the real star of the show is the beach. Picture this, a stretch of pristine white sand, lapped by the crystal-clear waters of a calm lagoon. It's like stepping into a postcard, folks. The beach is ideal for swimming, kayaking, and snorkeling, with a variety of complimentary water sports on offer. Whether you're a seasoned windsurfer or a first-time paddleboarder, the resort's got you covered with equipment and lessons. And let's not forget about those legendary Mauritian sunsets. The west coast location of the resort means you're in for a treat every evening as the sky explodes in a riot of orange, pink, and purple hues. It's the perfect backdrop for a romantic stroll along the beach or a sundowner at one of the resort's bars. For those who like to stay active on vacation, we salute you. Victoria Beachcomber Resort and Spa offers a wide range of activities to keep you entertained. The fitness center is equipped with all the latest cardio machines and free weights, so you can keep up with your workout routine even while on holiday. And if you're feeling a bit rusty, you can always book a personal training session to get back on track. But let's be honest, We're all here to relax, right? That's where the spa comes in. The resort's wellness center offers a variety of treatments designed to soothe your body and mind. From Swedish massages to Mauritian-inspired therapies using local ingredients like vanilla-infused oils, you're in for a treat. The spa facilities include a sauna and steam room, perfect for detoxing after a day of indulgence, because vacation calories don't count, right? For those traveling with little ones, Victoria Beachcomber Resort and Spa has got you covered. The Kids Club, open to children aged 3 to 11, offers a range of supervised activities that'll keep the youngsters entertained while you sneak off for some much-needed R&R. From arts and crafts to beach games, there's never a dull moment for the junior guests. And for the teens, there's a separate lounge space where they can hang out and make new friends under the watchful eye of the resort staff. But what about when you want to explore beyond the resort? Well, you're in luck. Victoria Beachcomber Resort and Spa is perfectly positioned for discovering some of Mauritius' top attractions. Just a short drive away, you'll find the bustling town of Grand Bay, known for its shopping, dining, and vibrant nightlife. It's the perfect spot for picking up some souvenirs or enjoying a night out on the town. For those interested in culture and history, the capital city of Port Louis is within easy reach. Here, you can explore colorful markets, visit museums, and soak up the island's rich colonial heritage. And nature lovers won't want to miss the famous Pamplemousse's Botanical Garden, home to an impressive collection of tropical flora, including the giant Victoria Amazonica water lilies. So, what's the verdict on Victoria Beachcomber Resort and Spa? Well, it's hard not to be impressed by this tropical paradise. The resort's strengths lie in its spacious accommodations, diverse dining options, and wealth of activities for guests of all ages. The friendly and attentive staff consistently receive high praise from visitors, adding that extra touch of warmth to your stay. However, like any resort, there are a few areas where improvement could be made. Some guests have mentioned occasional noise from the entertainment areas, which might be an issue for light sleepers. And while the resort offers shuttle services to nearby towns, some visitors have suggested that more frequent trips would be appreciated. But let's focus on what makes Victoria Beachcomber Resort and Spa truly special. Its unique selling points include its prime location on the Sunset Coast, offering those Instagram-worthy views we mentioned earlier. The resort's blend of family-friendly amenities and adults-only areas means it caters to a wide range of travelers without compromising on quality or atmosphere. And let's not forget about those spacious rooms. They're among the largest on the island, giving you plenty of room to spread out and relax. For those planning corporate events or special occasions, Victoria Beachcomber Resort and Spa offers excellent conference and event facilities. While not the main focus of the resort, these spaces are well equipped and can accommodate a range of functions, from business meetings to wedding receptions. The resort's events team is known for their attention to detail and ability to create memorable experiences for guests. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give a thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our Best Hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.